Hey guys, got a 71 GMC C25. Heater core's leaking. It wasn't hooked up when I bought it. It fits right in this hole here. It wasn't hooked up when I bought it, and I just tested it and it's leaking out of this corner right here. It sits long ways like this back in there, and inlet and outlet come out of the top and the bottom of the left side of that hole. Basically, one way to replace these is to remove this whole entire housing. You gotta cut the seal and then reseal it when you put it all back in. Way more of a hassle than I wanted to get into. And I decided to cut this out. So I took a Dremel tool and basically cut along the edge of this. I cut in front of these bolts here. There's two, and these both hold the brackets that hold that heater core in. That allowed me to access this heater core very simply, and I took those four bolts off from the brackets, and this came right out. Well, this is the front piece that I cut off. In order to put that back on, I just made two brackets, and you can kind of see they're angled, just so there's some pressure on there on that side. Just riveted them in, and switch hands here. And that allows me to put the brackets behind this side, and I'll be able to replace the top of this as soon as I get the new heater core and bolt that in. And I'll be able to hook it up. It won't leak. And then I'm gonna put a bolt through this side, and it's gonna be probably about 5.5 inch bolt. And I'll go through this side and I'll angle it a 90-degree angle, and I'll screw a hole, or drill a hole out the front, and put a washer and a nut on the front, and that'll hold this front plate on. Plus, if this heater core, the new one I get, ever leaks again, it's very simple to replace it. They tend to go pretty easy, but they're also a cheap part. So 30-40 bucks gets you a new heater core. That's my easy way of doing it. Hope you guys like it.